Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you? And Ramadan Kareem, girls. Today, inshallah, girls, we will take the activity book in Unit 12. But first of all, what are the classroom rules? Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. 4, make smart choices. And 5, keep your dear teacher happy, okay? Then we will take dictation, girls, together in class. Then, girls, ask and answer game. If I ask you, which grade were you in last year? Last year I was in grade 5. Which grade are you in this year? This year I am in grade 6. Okay, let me start Unit 12, the activity book, girls, together now. First of all, match the pictures with the sentences. First of all, I need you to open your book, page number, girls, 37. Look at the pictures that we have on page 37. Number 1, Omar hurt his back when he was working in the garden. 2, when I arrived, my mother was cooking. 3, Majid and Saleh were playing tennis at 10:30 yesterday. 4, when I saw him, he was walking by the river. So you have to match the sentences with the pictures, girls. How can I match them? Number 3, then 4, then 2, then 1, okay? Make questions and answer them. Number 1, number exercise 2, girls. When did Omar hurt his back? He hurt his back while he was working in the garden. 2, what were Majid and Saleh doing yesterday? They were playing tennis at 10:30. What was he doing when you saw him? He was walking by the river. He was walking by the river. Then answer the following questions, girls, on page number 48. What's your name? You have to write my name is, then write your full name. How old are you? I am, then write your age. I am 12, I am 11. Write your age. I am 12, for example, years old. Do you like English language? Yes, I do. Number 4, do you watch television every day? No, I don't. 5, what were you doing at 6 o'clock yesterday? I was cooking at 6 o'clock yesterday. What were your father doing at that same time? He was sleeping, for example, okay? Then complete using for, off, on, and out. Number 1, Linda calmed down her grandmother. 2, it was very hot yesterday, so I took off my jacket. 3, please turn on the television when we want to watch the 8 o'clock news. 4, I'm looking for my pen. And 5, he got out of the taxi. Okay? Okay, girls? Then page, girls, 48, we will do it together in class. Write the answers in complete sentences. My name is, for example, Lulu Hamoud Al-Harti. I am 28 years old. I like English language very much. I don't watch television every day. My mother, for example, I was cooking at 6 o'clock yesterday and my father was sleeping, okay? Use each of the following words in a sentence. Number 1, nest. We can say the farmer found a golden egg in the nest. 6, I always feed the cat. 3, I found a golden egg. I'm looking for my glasses and greedy. Don't be such a greedy man, okay? Then girls make sentences saying what was she doing at these times. Look at the schedules that we have on page 50, girls, and you can answer the questions by looking on the schedule. Number 1, at 9:30, at 9 o'clock she was cleaning her flat. At 11 o'clock she was cleaning her flat too. At 12:30 she was having lunch, and at 3 o'clock she was visiting her friends. Put the verbs in brackets in the correct form. I was reading in bed when suddenly I heard a knock on the door. Ali was waiting for me when I arrived. This time last year, I lived in England. We were laughing when the teacher came. Okay? So, this is the end, girls, of my lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye, girls. Don't forget to answer all the questions, girls, okay? Goodbye.